In this guide, I'll show you how to reduce controller input lag on your Xbox Series S or X. So from the home screen, select Settings in the top right corner, then scroll down to Devices and Connections and select Controllers and Headsets. Now once you see your Xbox wireless controller, select the three dots for more options, and you want to ensure that your controller is up to date with the latest firmware version, as this will affect the performance of your controller. Now, alternatively, if you do have a wired Xbox controller, I'd recommend using that as it will reduce input lag. And if you are going to use a wireless controller, make sure you have a clear line of sight and you're close to your Xbox. Now, some other things you can do in general settings, go to TV and display options, then scroll over to advanced video modes. So on this page, you want to allow auto low latency mode, otherwise known as game mode, because this will reduce image processing, which will help reduce input lag as well. And for variable refresh rate, you want this on gaming only or always on, as this will have a neutral or beneficial effect to reduce controller input lag. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.